Academy. I welcome you all in the series of GATE question paper solving video tutorials. So now in this we'll see GATE 2004 question, totally a conceptual based question. So because even if we know problems solving techniques, even if you know how to solve Lamy's theorem, how to use a Lamy's theorem and solve it, how to use a method of joints to solve it, we would have to know few other techniques to understand and to manipulate this particular question, which is really interesting actually. So we'll see the questions right away. A figure shows a pin jointed plain truss loaded at the point M. So loaded at the point M by hanging a mass of 100 kg. The member Ln of the truss is subjected to a load of. So they are asking the member Ln of a truss is subjected to a load of. So for your information, for the people who are new to this video, new to this channel, you can get this document in the description below. You can download it and comment whatever you feel like, your feedbacks or whatever stuff you like to. Okay, so directly we go into solving this question. So now we will solve GATE 2004 problem. Okay, so even if you solve, so we have solved a lot of questions using method of joint sections and even Lamy's theorem concept. So if you could see, it's totally going to be a different one. So let's watch how it unfolds. Okay, so first is a hinge joint, next is a roller joint. Okay, so let me draw it as such. Okay, so first it is a hinge joint, if you could see. Next is a roller joint. So we have one bigger triangle, I could say. So once is a, so this is a straight line. Okay, so this is done. Next is they are having one straight line over here. Okay, so one straight line and one line goes over here, and they have a mass M over here. Okay, this is mass M, so which is 100 kg. Okay, this is what they have given, and they are asking member Ln of a truss. So they have not given any other data. That's the main thing over here. Mk, so M is there, and this has to be understood with the concept we know already. So if, first let us apply Lamy's theorem to point L. Okay, Lamy's theorem at point L. So if we start to apply Lamy's theorem, it would be very much evident for us to understand that. So this is L, this is M, this is N, and this is going to be K. Okay, so whatever the stuff is, it doesn't matter. If you could just draw or mark the angle between these guys, which is 90, and this is going to be 180. Okay, if you draw the angle between these guys, if you draw, let's assume this to be force Ln, this is force Lm, this is force Lk. So let's write the Lamy's theorem. So F Ln by sine 180 is equal to F Lm by sine 90. Okay, so and also I'll just write everything, even though if you could have understood the answer, you could sense the answer by now. So F Ln by sine 180, doesn't matter whatever is on the RHS part. Okay, whatever is on the RHS part, sine 180 is 0. If it goes to the RHS, it will make everything is 0. Okay, that's one beauty. If you could see a three member truss or three member structure, whatever it is, if you could see one component hanging in the balance, we could say hanging in the air, we could say that it is obviously a 0. Okay, doesn't matter whatever the structure is here, like this or like this, it doesn't matter. FLN obviously is going to be 0. Okay, so once out of practice you learn that, by just by seeing you learn this is going to be 0, doesn't matter however it unfolds. Okay, so since I'll just write it out now, since sine 180 is 0, FLN is going to be 0. Now if you could see, next is method of joints. Okay, so method of joints, so we can learn using this also. Even if you see method of joints, we'll apply method of joints, we can apply to any point, right? So it's our wish. So method of joint at L, that is point L. Okay, so method of joint at point L. So if you could see, this is the force. So if you could see, this is Ln, and summation of vertical forces is 0. So if you could see this particular point, we have only Ln over here, which is no other force is applied. So Ln, force Ln should be equal to 0. So on both the cases, method 2, this is second method, on both the cases we got FLN as 0, if ln is equal to 0. So our answer is option A. Okay, so this is how we should solve it. But once you gain practice, just by seeing this diagram, you'll be able to say that ln is 0 with very easy. Okay, because it's a three member is there, and it is actually 180 degree out of phase. So directly you can say that it is 0. Okay, so get 2004 question, totally conceptual. Even if you solve problems, we need to have fewer techniques, because we may directly go ahead with finding the reactions, roller support, and what is the roller support, and all the stuff will go. So no need of that wasting time and all. So you should gain some experience to understand how to directly apply point. Just target on the required thing, and then you could solve things really easy. If you have any doubts in this, kindly give it on the comment sections. We'll try to solve it as soon as possible. So thank you. Thanks a lot. So we'll meet in the next video.